With the coming of Turkmenistan's independence, the nation's love of its past has been supported by local policy. Restoration and studies are being done along the entirety of the Great Silk Road. The decisions of UNESCO in regards to preservation of important historical sites and objects apply to ancient Merv. Dozens of buildings, 120 kilometers of defensive walls, 25 centuries of written history are receiving special attention. We have learned much from the mausoleum of the last of the great Seljuks, Sultan Sanjara. Then, in the 12th century, a bathhouse and sauna were built beside it. The baths had a system of pipes, which are intact to this day. There were apparently 12 libraries here at that time. On the walls of one that has been uncovered, we can see the marks of shelves on which were kept local poetry, scholarly works, and the sacred book of the Quran. Who knows, but that even here was the place where the great physician Avicenna loved to work, or that Omar Khayyam showed up in the evenings to his mournful and hopeful poems. Grief seeps from the entire mausoleum. These are only the remnants of past greatness and beauty. It is this that could not be destroyed, not by time, nor by the Mongols, who took Merv in the year 1220 and wiped out its inhabitants.